Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Garmin GXM54 SiriusXM weather and audio receiver. This is the white version. This is offered in white or black now. And let's get into this packaging. When you open up the box, you will have your antenna, a pole mount, the power and audio module, your antenna cable that goes between the antenna and the power module, and a surface mount with hardware in the box. There is a mounting template, and then as well as documentation for the XM receiver. The cable itself is a small Garmin network cable, kind of like the new Blue Net's going, hence the blue cabling. The power and audio module comes with mounting hardware. Has two sets of wires coming in on each side. This unit gets mounted. There is a little LED status light, green for good, red for bad. This cable goes from this unit to your compatible Garmin chart plotter. This blue connector here goes to the XM antenna using the supplied cable. The RCA outputs go to your radio for the SiriusXM audio to get over to the radio and play through your vessel sound system. And then you have a power input with an included fuse and fuse holder on the cable already. The antenna is a standard Garmin mushroom antenna. This would match a GPS 19X, the 24XD. So everything on the top of your vessel will look right in line. It says Garmin on both sides, as well as SiriusXM on both sides as well. If you are using the pole mount, you will mount this to your pole, feed your cable through the pole mount, and position the antenna like so on your pole mount. If you are doing surface mount, you will use the included template. Mount your surface mount down. There is a foam gasket underneath of it to seal this to your T-top or whatever you are mounting it to provide a waterproof seal. After mounting this, you will drill your hole through the center of it. It is a 1-inch hole for the cable to properly fit through the middle of it. And then you have a rubber O-ring that sits on this piece here. And your antenna goes on like so and screws down. Regardless of which way you mount the antenna, whether it's pole mounted or surface mounted, very small Allen headed set screws in there to lock this antenna in place. After it has been mounted, there is a small screw hole on there that threads into the hole on your pole mount or surface mount. When ready to activate your GXM54, your XM radio ID is printed on the bottom of your antenna as well as on the side of your Garmin box. A good idea is to take a picture of that or a picture of the bottom of the antenna, so when you are ready to activate and you call XM, you have that number. You can also find your XM ID inside of the settings of your Garmin system, and you can use that to call XM. The XM packages are, for Garmin, you have coastal, offshore, and fish mapping as far as weather subscriptions go. I will put a picture of the differences here, and then you can add on audio as a separate package to the antenna itself. All of your audio selection will go through the Garmin chart plotter as far as picking what station you want to listen to. There is volume control, but it's much easier just to use the volume of your radio while you are picking sources and such. Again, this is offered in black as well to match your theme of your vessel. And I'm Sean from Amped Up Marine. You can find a link to this product in the description below. And thanks for watching.